Hey, just to prove, like to give you a proof that I really work on our house insulation every day. Look what I got. Yup. Now you believe me? You can trust me. So tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday, then it's Sunday. 2 days off, then I go back to work again. After 17 days of vacation. Like, wow. And yesterday we had a beautiful day. We've been like in the animal park. It was I have to make like some of those trips are just remarkable and memorable. They are amazing, and I have to make more of those trips with my girls. Really enjoyed. Once upon a time. Doesn't mean once half a year. Definitely not. Acne I have here again, guys. It's painful. House. The house is my new hobby, guys. I haven't been at gym few days, and I'm going to carry on that way. Like I will not go tomorrow. I will not go Sunday, because weekend, Saturday and Sunday, tomorrow and even after tomorrow, because weekends is from 7 o'clock, and I'm not gonna. No, I have work here to do. But what I definitely going to do, I want to like do as much work as possible the last 2 days. Plus, when I start working, I don't know my shifts yet. But I also after work I go home. If it's nice weather, I go home and I continue working on the house. If it's rainy, I go to gym, and if I have a day off, right in the morning, it's not weekend. Then I go, which I will not have a weekend now day off like 2 3 weeks maybe. So I go gym my day off, but then I come home and I start working on the house again, because it will still take time. I can see it. I will not make it in 2 days. There is more work to do. Yeah. Hey, you know what I hope most? That the insulation on the house, what I'm doing outside, the 20 centimeters of glass wool, plus, but the wool doesn't give anything, huh? 5 centimeters. But the 20 centimeters, if it will make a difference, I hope, yeah. In winter, in summer. I mean, it's already on. From that side, it's not done at all. That is just the frame, wooden frame. Yeah. I'm just thinking how we've done that. how did we do the floor? If because it was the uncle who was helping us, and I wonder if we also did like a frame. We did, but we definitely didn't do any frame like around the wall. No, that not. We just did like a big pieces, and then we had to somehow separate it, but we did not really like screw it all together, because when we put the wooden planks on the top and screw it to that frame, it actually holds itself, yeah, as a one piece. Yeah, that's probably how we done it. Yep, sorry, I'm thinking this time, guys, this is the days, weeks already, just working on the house insulation outside. Don't think anything else much. I don't really know what is with Iran, Israel, United States. I don't watch any of that now. I usually listen. I know there was a NATO meeting now, so I'm not really updated on the world right now. The outward. It's like a relax from the news and internet drama. So see you. Let me know what is there. If there is something new in the world, and in the comments, of course. And don't forget, hit the like button. And let's see, guys. Let's see, people, if we can make the house nice. You actually don't know. Sorry, I cannot show you, because then I will have millions of people in front of my house, because they will know where I am living, and I cannot show you. I'm sorry. I would love to. See ya.